Hey y'all, stay tuned to see her go from that to this beautiful pronto wash and go step by step. So what we're going to start off with is applying products using the CLO method, which is conditioner, liquid, and then an oil. So you can see that she's working a leave-in conditioner into her hair with her hands only. We don't use a comb or brush for this style to prevent it from being frizzy. Now she's spraying in just water just to make sure that the hair stays hydrated and to help disperse the conditioner evenly throughout her hair. Now we're going to go in and she's just going to go through and work the conditioner even more just to make sure that it is evenly distributed amongst her hair. And after that, we're going to go ahead and add the Radiant Rose Oil by Diamond in the Rough Beauty. This rose oil is packed with so many different types of vitamins that are amazing for your hair, has antioxidants, and promotes hair growth by stimulating the scalp. In this oil, there's jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, and vitamin E oil, just to name a few. All the oils are then infused with the rose petals, and that creates a perfect concoction for hair growth. Also, with this oil, it's not heavy at all, so you can use it 2 to 3 times a week without producing a residue or a buildup on your scalp. Here she's still running her fingers through the curls, and you can see that they're forming more. This part here shows the reason why it's called a pronto wash and go. So you're going to hold your ends taut, not pulling the hair, just holding it, and you want to take the blow dryer and you want to go ahead and blow dry the hair shaft. You don't have to worry about the ends because you want them to shrink and really define the curls, but if you want an elongated look, you want to hold the ends and then you want to blow dry the hair shaft, and that's what gives it, a bigger, fuller look. Also, for even more volume, you can flip your head over and blow dry your hair even more, and that will give you the maximum volume. Thank you for watching, and here is the end results.